Hi boys and girls, how are you? Today I'm going to read God Made Kittens. When God made kittens, he must have laughed to see them run. He made them to pounce, jump, and roll, and have all kinds of fun. God made kittens with warm, soft fur, bright, shining eyes, and a deep, deep purr. They have sharp teeth and tongues that feel like sand. When a kitten licks you, it tickles your hand. Kittens comes in many colors, brown and black and tan and white. Some have stripes and some have spots. They are such a silly sight. Kittens' tails may be large or they may be small. God made the minks to have no tail at all. Curious kittens like to explore with glee. They can hide in a box or even up a tree. Kittens like warm milk and soft beds, and someone to pet them and scratch their heads. God made kittens as cute as can be to bring happiness and love to you and to me. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to say a little prayer. Let's bow our heads. And Lord, thank you for loving me even though I'm different and I do different things than other people. Thank you for watching over me and keeping me safe. I say these things in your name, Jesus Christ. Amen. Adios.